I'm going to tell you a story, the kind of story that you're going to hear every day on this channel, the kind of story that will touch your heart and you will want to share with your friends and family. This was one of President John Kennedy's favorite stories. Once there was a French nobleman who owned a big and beautiful estate. As an old man, he loved to sit on his porch that wrapped around the front of his mansion and enjoy the huge oak trees that lined the long road that led to his mansion. One day, a terrible storm came and destroyed the 2 oak trees closest to the mansion porch. Very upset, the man called his gardener to the house and asked him to replace the lost trees. His gardener replied, "Sir, the trees that were felled in the storm took hundreds of years to grow. You, your children, or even your grandchildren wouldn't be able to enjoy them." The old man reflected for a moment and then responded firmly but gently, "Then plant them this afternoon." On this channel, we will share the stories that you will remember forever. Stories that will not only transform your heart, but will move you to tell them to friends and family for the rest of your life. Truly, we here at Mary's Field will offer the spiritual truth and practical wisdom necessary to restore hope and relight your inner fire. We will always share down-to-earth solutions for the struggles of daily life. We won't offer the fluffy advice that simply distracts you from your problems rather than helps you to overcome them. Married life is demanding. So is your family and your job, as well as dealing with the stress of a failing culture. We, in America, live in an age of deep spiritual exhaustion. We have lost our inner balance and hope for the future. It is a time to choose. We can continue on the path that doesn't work, or we can decide to become the prophets who will transform the world around us, one person at a time. We need a future that is rooted in our relationship with God as the ultimate foundation of truth in all reality. Now is the time to plant the trees under which our children will one day sit. If you are looking for a channel that delivers genuine substance, you will find it here, I promise. Because truly, happiness tomorrow really depends on doing the truth today.